another lovely, long, rambly vlog for you today. I am running some errands, doing some cooking, I'm hosting a dinner party, and I'm taking you along with me. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. I have a very long, rambly, and juicy video for you today. I am going down to one video a week on my channel as I work on a writing project. You know, one of my goals this year is to live a beautiful life, not hustle so much, and so I am taking my own advice and I'm cutting down a bit of the work on my plate so that I could focus on writing. And so having said that, I do want the one video a week that you get to be really juicy. So this is going to be one of those videos. It's going to be very long and rambly. Another thing is that I am editing some of my videos myself again because I do love the editing process. I find it to be very relaxing and also a great creative outlet for me. And I do like these long, rambly videos that I couldn't even, you know, describe to an editor if I wanted to. So Evan is still editing my videos. You'll see the beautiful, professional, polished ones that he does, but sometimes you'll see these kind of like long throwback videos like today, and those are all done by me. So there's that. Yes, I have so much going on. I'm hosting a dinner party tomorrow on the day that I'm shooting this, and I am going to be wearing this beautiful pink dress. I feel like this is such a Valentine's look. Perfect for Valentine's Day, right? It's by Quince. I'm going to tell you all about it in just a second. And these are the flowers for the dinner party. I arranged them last night, and how perfect are they with my dress? I think it's just like a match made in heaven. The arrangement is a bit too tall. I tried it at the table, and I think that it's going to be annoying if I'm trying to talk to someone across the table. So I do actually plan to cut the flowers down and put them in a lower vase, but I thought I'd bring them up here, you know, just to talk with you. This video is kindly sponsored by Quince. I absolutely love their clothing. And not only are they high quality, but the prices are so good. And especially in this economy, that is appreciated. So let me show you the dress that I'm going to be wearing to the dinner party. This is the organic textured cotton smocked midi dress. It's crafted from luxurious organic cotton. It has a flattering V neckline and ruffle cap sleeves. This dress is designed for a relaxed fit, and I think that it just drapes beautifully. I love its vintage romantic appeal. Then I'm trying a new silhouette for my jeans. I'm trying the barrel jean. These are the Bella jeans in Atlantic blue. They have a high rise and a structured barrel leg that tapers in. I love the architecture you get from this jean, and we'll have fun styling it this spring. And then I do want to start doing yoga again, so I checked out their activewear, and I'm so impressed not only with the quality, but also the price. These are the Power Up high-rise training pocket leggings and the Ultraform strappy bra tank. It has a built-in bra. I love the thickness of the fabric. It's so high quality. And this top is only $34.90. When I'm on my way to class, I can cover up in the 100% merino wool all season long sleeve base layer. So it's a great cover up. Quince is a wonderful resource for workout clothes too. So thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring this video. You can shop my links in the description box down below, in the YouTube shopping tab, or you can scan the QR code. Also, Quince have free shipping and 365-day returns, so I hope that you will check them out. Okay, while we're here and while it's still on my mind, I want to update you on The Last One at the Wedding by Jason Recolak. I think this is the final book in my winter TBR. I read everything, and I read more than I even had on my list. So you'll have to look out for my spring TBR video, because at the end of that I will give a recap of what I thought of all the winter reads that I had. So I'll keep that in a long juicy video as well. But in the meantime, I am almost finished with The Last One at the Wedding. This is a thriller. So if you like thrillers, I think that you would like this book. I did see Francesca from Francesca's Books. I think she mentioned that she wasn't the biggest fan of this book, which that's why you have to take people's recommendations with a grain of salt, because I am devouring this book. I can't put it down. It's from the perspective of a dad, and I think I just really appreciate that. I love Jason Rekulak writes a dad and the way a dad thinks so well. And so it's about a man who has driven for UPS his entire career, and he has only one daughter, and she's getting married, but she's getting married to someone who's very wealthy. It's like a billionaire family. So it's like, you know, the UPS truck driver against the 1% in this book. And there's just lots of secrets, lots of twists and turns, and I haven't finished it yet. So maybe the ending is horrible. I don't know, but I'm almost done with it. I really only have a few chapters left, and I can't imagine this book disappointing me because I think it's good. So, but again, this is a thriller. You're going to see later on when I run errands that I am trying to expand my genres from mystery and thrillers. So I am branching out. You will see this later on in the video, but I just wanted to give you that quick update right now. Okay, so now let's move on to some of the other clips that I filmed for you. I wanted to share how I am meal prepping salads. So let's check that out right now. Okay, I've been meaning to share this with you for some time now, but I've been meal prepping salads. And you would have seen this in my recent What I Eat in a Day video. My mom has these amazingly sweet grapefruits in her garden, so I've been making grapefruit vinaigrette with grapefruit juice, olive oil, a dash of honey, some minced garlic, salt, and pepper. And now I'm going to take some jars, and I thought I would do 4, but I'll just do 3 actually. So I have some cooked chicken here, romaine lettuce, grapes, Monterey Jack cheese, green apples, pecans, and dried cherries. And that is it. These keep well for a few days in the fridge, as long as the lettuce doesn't touch the salad dressing, because that will wilt it. But I've been putting together all sorts of different combinations in my salads and having so much fun with it. I also have been enjoying experimenting with the vinaigrettes. I'm loving citrus this time of year. I'll link the jars that I'm using here. They're just from Amazon, but you can also use any mason jar that you already have. Before we run some errands, let's take a break outside with Watson. He loves sitting in the sunshine by the lavender and bougainvillea. The bees and bumblebees saunter around him, the hummingbirds and butterflies too, and he's just so peaceful and warm out here. I'm loving the garden right now. Despite it still being winter, it is awash with beautiful blooms. I just love coming out here every day and enjoying them along with Watson. I had an appointment at the eye doctor and just finished it. So basically, I thought that my vision was getting bad because it was blurry, and we actually determined that I need eye drops. So I tried eye drops for 6 weeks, like twice a day, and it totally helped. So my eyes were just dry, and my vision, thankfully, is still perfect. And now I'm celebrating at Barnes & Noble because any excuse to go to Barnes & Noble is the best excuse. I have a book that I'm picking up, and I'm excited to read it. And then I am going to ask them about 2 other books to see if they have them. So come along with me. Every Barnes & Noble day is a good day. I ordered a book and I collected that at the info desk, and then I also picked up this book. It's called Endurance by Alfred Lansing, which I'm adding to my spring TBR. It is a true shipwreck story, and it is supposed to be a masterpiece. And then I also checked out their puzzles because I've been getting into puzzling so much lately. I wrote about this in my newsletter if you read that this month, but I, yes, have a slight obsession with puzzling. So I checked out what they had. And I also took a trip to the cafe and bought a cinnamon scone, which was delicious. So the other book I got was The Monk's Guide to a Clean House and Mind by Shuhei Matsumoto. And then I was looking for a third book, but they didn't have it, so I'll have to find it elsewhere. Let's do some more cooking now. I tried a new breakfast casserole recipe using crescent rolls, and it turned out well. It's kind of like a crescent roll quiche. I'll link the recipe down below. But basically you start off with laying down crescent rolls in a greased casserole dish, and then you place bacon and cheese on top in layers. Then you whisk together some eggs, milk, ranch seasoning, and pepper and pour it on top. And top that with a bit more cheese. I bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This was very easy to make, and I served it with chopped green onion and sliced oranges. Remember the dinner party? Let's travel back to the future now, and I'll show you our setup for it. I set a very simple table. And I had the chafing dishes going with the food inside. And here is the appetizer and drinks area. And of course, I'm wearing my beautiful Quince dress. This was all I filmed because I just wanted to be very present that night, but it was a lovely evening and we really enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Quince for sponsoring. You can check out my links down below or scan the QR code. And don't forget that Quince has free shipping and 365-day returns. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.